So we're going to make a fish curry today, really simple style. I'm using a fish called Rui or Rohu, also has many other names, which is like a carp. If you can't get that, you could use a different fish. No problem, in fact. But yeah, this is the real deal. This is a Bengali style fish, which is cooked every day in every house. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So this fish is called Rui or Rohu, and it also has many other names as well. It's a type of carp. That's quite a big fish. That's like a sort of 1.2, 1.3 kg. It's been cleaned, so the inner's been taken out and it's been descaled. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the head off and I'm going to cut it into slices. Okay, so I've cut that up, you can see, into roughly sort of 2 finger sizes. You can cut it thicker if you want. We're going to get some salt on there. And here I've got 2 teaspoons of turmeric, which is going to go in, and you can see I've got a glove on. I'm just going to sort of mix all of that together, and if you can leave it for an hour in the fridge, it would be great. Okay, so here we are at the cooker. In there I've got mustard oil. Now mustard oil is quite an important part of this dish, so try and get some. Makes a big difference. What we're going to do is we're going to get the fish in here with the salt and the turmeric, and we're going to just fry it for about 4 minutes on each side. I've just put the heat on and I've got it on a fairly lively heat. Once that's done, we're going to take it out and then we can move on. Okay, off goes the heat. Now if you think that your fish isn't cooked all the way through, don't worry about that, because there's more cooking to happen. What we're going to do is I'm going to take the fish out, but keep the oil because we're going to cook in that oil. Okay, so fish is done. Let's take a look at the other ingredients. We've got 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of tomato, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili. I'm using Kashmiri chili powder, by the way, and 1 of cumin. If you want, you can put coriander powder in this. I don't like it in there. Fresh chili to taste, slit like that, 2 bay leaves, and in there a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let's get back to the cooker. So we're back here with this oil, got some lovely flavor in there. Let's drop in a couple of bay and the cumin seeds. Just a few seconds in there. By the way, we're on a above medium heat. To that I'm going to add 1 cup of onion, and we're going to go for about 4 minutes, stirring often. Okay, beautiful stuff. Next up, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to add the 1 cup of tomato. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato. We're going to add our fresh chili. And then we're going to pop in our powders. Just take one more look. A teaspoon of chili, a teaspoon of cumin, half of turmeric. About 5 or 6 minutes now, we want those tomatoes to break down. Hopefully they'll give off a little bit of moisture. You can see we've got a little bit of moisture there as the tomatoes break. We're now going to drop in the fish. That all goes in. Now this dish, I'm making it just like this with fish today, but quite often some people would put eggplants in here, or potatoes, or even both. We're going to get some water. There's like 2 cups of water there. So we've been on an above medium heat. We're going to go to a below medium heat. We're going to go for about another 5 or 6 minutes. It's done, job done. Really simple, this one. Okay, and off goes the heat. This is complete. Really delicious and simple. Okay, and there you go. Really simple, that one, and really delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. Please take time to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment. I do read your comments actually. And yeah, subscribe to the channel. See you later.